You're gonna get a lot of questions about what is your highlight. Just be prepared. What is that glow? You're gonna be accidentally glowing from 20 miles away. You're gonna fall in love. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have an exciting announcement. I am revealing the next Dominique Cosmetics product launch right now, right here with you guys. Are you ready for it? I don't think so. She is a beautiful secret that I've had to keep for a while. Her name is Prisma Glow. This is a highlighter palette for beautiful shades of highlight, but not your average highlight. This is a little bit different. I'm gonna talk you through it. It comes in this gorgeous packaging right here. This is a blush tone baby pink gradient with a soft holographic layer right over the top. And that is to represent the prismatic glow that your face is about to experience with this palette. She's ready to be your highlight bestie. We already know what highlight's like, but we need something different, and that's what she is. If you wanna see all the info on this palette, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be a part of the quad fam. And without further ado, let's get into this highlighter reveal. So the first one I'm going to talk about is Skin Gloss. So this is a really pretty soft champagne pearl cream highlight. You are going to get a natural fresh face kind of look. You can apply it directly to your skin. You can layer it over your foundation, over a powder, or even use this as a priming highlight to really intensify any highlight in the palette. You see how my skin just looks more healthy and hydrated without it looking glittery? Here we go with Skin Gloss. On the collarbone. This is where you want to glow. I'm going to take Fire Glow now. And this one looks beautiful on deep, dark skin tones. Oh my God, do you see that? It's scary how metallic your skin can look. I'm also going to take the shade on my shoulder just to show you the kind of glossy glow you're going to get. I'm going to put some here and then work it down. You see how healthy and hydrated that looks? Then we add on Golden Hour, and you are going to really just glow to the world. Like do you see that? It almost looks see-through. It's so glossy and glowy. I am so excited for you guys to try this out. Skin Gloss can be layered over any of the shades. It's just going to give any of the colors more of a glossy, wet look. And that's perfect for beach time looks, daytime. This doesn't make your pores look even worse. It kind of smooths them out and also gives you that dewy, luminous glow. And you can use this all over your body. You don't have to just use it on your face. Anyone can wear this. Even if you're not that into makeup, you can definitely still pull this off and look very glowy, dewy, hydrated, and healthy. The next color we're going to talk about is Golden Hour. For me, Golden Hour is something I would wear during the afternoon to nighttime. I mean, you can wear it during the morning as well, it looks great, but I feel like Golden Hour is more warm, peachy kind of a look. So I really like to save those type of shades for late afternoon to evening time, and it just looks so beautiful in dim light. This can be worn as a soft, subtle highlight, or it can be layered to a very blinding highlight. Get ready to warn everyone around you to wear their sunglasses because you are going to blind them. You can see how expensive and luxe this shade looks. It's just like gold. It's liquid gold on your skin. It's so beautiful. It goes with any skin type and with any skin tone. If you don't want this intensity, because this is intense, this is like the Instagram highlight. But if you wanna go a little softer, you can. And I'm gonna pick up Golden Hour. And we're not gonna use Skin Gloss. And I'm gonna put it right here. Do you see that? It's still very glowy, but it's not like scary. But this is without the balm. Look how intense you can make it without the balm. So now we're gonna talk about Fire Glow, and that is one of the coolest shifting shades. Actually, they're both cool. I can't say it's the coolest, but it's one of the coolest shifting shades in the palette. This is a rose gold pink with a golden shift. I'm also gonna use Fire Glow on myself because I wanna show you that everything in this palette can be used on any skin tone. I'm only medium skin tone, but even if you're darker than that, then you can still use it. This is Fire Glow. And ignore my texture on the side. We're just looking at the glow and how it's so beautifully golden, yet warm and fiery at the same time. The next color we're gonna look at is Pink Haze. In this light, pink haze looks almost white, but it's not. It's actually a lilac pink with a golden shift. If I put it back here, you kind of can see more of the effect. If I put it this way, it looks like a light pink. I shift it here, the pink looks more warm. Okay, so you're gonna get an intense glow right off the back with this one. And I really like to put this on my inner corners. It's soft with the color, but it's intensified with the shifting pearl that's infused in the powder. It's so cool because the color will shift depending on how you turn your face. So you can see that it almost looks translucent this way, but then I shift over here, it's like a baby pink silver, and then it just keeps shifting. It even looks like a pale gold. It has a very unique look to it, and it just gives you the most unique highlight. People that are my skin tone will feel like only super pale skin tones will be able to use it, but that's not true. You get to see what that looks like. It has a really pretty pink to pale golden shift, and I am obsessed. And then right below that, I'm gonna use Golden Hour. So I'm gonna take Golden Hour and layer that right below it. And this one is extreme. The glow is so intense. So we have Golden Hour and Pink Haze on this side, and we have Fire Glow on that side. The fact that it's great on every skin tone in one palette is so hard to find, but I have it for you right here. I cannot wait to see you guys with this palette on your face, on your body. I can't wait to see your wet glow, your shifting multi-dimensional prismatic glows. I'm going to cry. I can't wait for you guys to experience this palette for yourself. You are going to fall in love with it. I'm also going to do a surprise giveaway for you guys in this video. Not only are you getting all the Dominique Cosmetics products, but all of my other favorite things, favorite lashes, favorite hair products, all the things. I cannot wait to share with you guys this palette and all the goodies coming soon to you. If you want to see how to enter the giveaway, I'll have all of the info in the description, so make sure to read it, and that'll explain everything for you guys. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, thumbs it up. The thumbs button is actually right over there, or over there, somewhere. Thumbs it up. It helps us out on this channel. And I have 2 videos over here on the side. If you want to check them out, if you haven't seen them, they're waiting for you. And that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this reveal. I am so excited for you guys to have this product in your hand. You are going to love it. You will shine and glow so bright, and I will be very proud. I love you guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye, dollies.